Holy shit.
It fucking grabs, man. Holy shit.
Oh, man. Holy shit. Ay. Holy fuck. That's a dead end.
Fucking all the rocks.
Yeah. Let's drive her home tonight.
Probably good if he didn't dip into boost. Just drove it super slow.
Oh. You know you got the right clutch when you're having a fucking bitch of a time. Engaging and disengaging. There she goes. Woo! Oh my god. You have no fucking idea how excited I am to say that we have got the car running. Holy crap, we just wasted so much time trying to figure out what the fuck is our issue. We blipped the throttle and the fucking thing turned on. Oh, dude, look at this. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, the clutch chatter. Oh my god. Yo, this car is ridiculous. Woo! Okay, bye. Countless hours, countless effort. Copious amounts of effort. What the fuck's wrong with my hair? Oh man. We got it running. We got it running. The team did it. We got the fucking car running. Yeah. Wait, is it leaking oil a lot or?
No, well, just from the cap.
Yeah. Oh. Oh man. Oh my god. Whee! Yo, sick car, Doc. Holy shit. Smells like shit in there. Oh, fuck, that was a fail. We're not going to put that on YouTube. Wow.
All right.
The next day.
Yeah. leaks and shit. Just waiting to hear what they're about to say, if it looks okay. Well, I'm not terrified at all of heights. They found a header leak. That's what's going on right now.
Did it start up easier that time?
A lot easier. I didn't have to use my throttle. The car is shaking. It's like, I can feel my ass shake. It's nuts. Coming down. Sad, dude.
2 hours later.
Oh, that's clutch. Notice all that rattle.
Yeah, but I just hope it's nothing else. Just fucking 2,500 RPM or so. It's like. Watch the bump.
Cool. And if you scroll over,
Yeah.
see it says air for target somewhere.
AFR mass. Yeah.
That's clutch.
Do you hear it?
I'm extremely exhausted. I think I'm over this whole build. Last night was really freaking frustrating. The car runs, it drives, it stops, it shifts, whatever. We're having issues. We have a rear main seal issue where it's leaking out of the bell housing, which we already replaced. So we have a defective one. The alternator pulley seems to be defective as well. It's a brand new alternator and it's just seizing up. It's not spinning properly, causing a belt squeal. We also have cam phaser caps leaking. It's just never ending with this thing. Oh, and our oil cooler lines are leaking. Fantastic. I'm tired. I'm so over it. I woke up frustrated, pissed off. I just want this thing done, dude.
Another one. Well, guys, it's about that time. Gonna go pick up the car. We had it at a shop to have some revisions done, just to make sure everything is intact and running okay. The car's been there for about 3 weeks. With COVID and everything's been kind of backed up over there, but we finally got a word that we can come pick up the car tonight. I'm bringing with me some of the brake-in fluid that I've used, the 10W40, and I got 2 jerry cans. I'm going to fill up with 94 octane. I'm going to bring the sucker home tonight. So stay tuned. I'm going to go get that done right now. Data logging and driving the beast home. Woo! Let's go. Drink up, buttercup, you thirsty whore. 293,000 kilometers this car had a rebuild. Just want to record that so I don't forget. First wash of the year. Fucking right. Yeah. Just Glenn.